Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming your Apple ID and enabling two-factor authentication so changes sync securely. Next, make sure iOS is up to date and that you're on reliable Wi-Fi or 5G to avoid interruptions. Once done, open Settings, tap your name, then iCloud. Toggle the services you want to sync. You're not just flipping switches, you're defining what the cloud stores. Make sure backups are enabled under iCloud Backup so your device can save itself automatically. You now decide what syncs and how to handle storage. Go into iCloud settings and pick apps, photos, contacts, mail, notes, messages. Each syncs separately to save space and keep data current. Then tap Manage Storage to review backups, delete old device copies, or buy more space if needed. Make sure Optimize iPhone storage is on for photos to free local space. Also enable iCloud Drive and Keychain so passwords and documents follow you across devices. Set up family sharing to share storage and purchases. You finish by forcing a manual backup to confirm everything saved. Settings right arrow iCloud Backup, right arrow Backup now. Then monitor storage and recent sync activity to ensure photos and messages appear on other devices. If an item won't sync, sign out of iCloud and sign back in, or restart the iPhone to refresh connections. Key troubleshooting tip: check Apple's system status first. If it's green but problems continue, reset network settings and then remove large old backups.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.